So welcome back guys. Today we are going to continue with our operating system practical. There is these Windows commands. We have done in the last practical the half of the Windows commands, that is still here we are done. And this today we are going to start with this one command, that is to write a command to delete any type of file. Now this command is used to delete any type of file. In the last video we have created one file, that is a notepad.txt file in the OS practical, and there were two directories. Actually we have created three directories, but one of which we have removed. So let us check how many files and directories do OS practical have now using this command. Now you can see there are two files and two directories. Two files because ABCD is a file that I have created to demonstrate you the use of del command. Okay, that is to delete the file. Now I'll use this del command space the file name. Okay, and enter. Now let's check whether the file has been deleted or not from the OS practical folder. See, it is deleted. So we'll proceed with the next command. To edit, view, create or create any type of file in your computer, you have one command, that is edit command. But when I'll use this edit command here, it will show an error. Edit is not recognized as an internal or external command, operable program or batch file. This is because this command is not supported by this version of Windows. So the alternative way with which we can create, delete or update we can create, view or edit any file is using the notepad space notepad.txt. That is by writing notepad space the file name, you can create, edit or view any type of file on your computer. Okay, let's see whether it is working or not. See, now notepad.txt file does not exist in our computer, so it is asking whether notepad file cannot be found in your computer. Do you want to create a new file with the name notepad.txt? So if you want to create, you have to click on yes, else you have to create on no or cancel. Okay, we have actually changed the name of the file to notepad1.txt. That's why notepad.txt does not exist in our computer. So the next command is to display the difference between two files. Now as you know, we have only one file in OS practical folder, so first we have to create one more file and then we can demonstrate the use of this command. So let's create one file first. I'm saving it with the name ABCD only. Okay, now we have two files in OS practical folder. See, one is ABCD and another one is notepad1.txt. Now let's use this command on these both files. Enter. You can see the output came as comparing files abcd.txt and notepad1.txt. It will show the content of both the files. Okay, so let's go further with the next command. First I'll use cls command to clear the screen of the command prompt. Okay, so that you can see the practical properly. Now the next command is to search a specific text file, which is find command. Actually find command is not used to search a particular text file in your computer, but it is used to search a particular string in your file. That is whichever file you have it on your computer. For example, you have one file and you want to search some string in that particular file, then you can use this command to search that particular string in that particular file, or you can also use it for searching that particular string into the multiple files. It also has various parameters, that is, for example, /v, /c, /I. Let us do this command in detail. When I'll write this command in this such way, it will show, the command prompt will show the complete detail of the this find command. See, searches for a text string in a file or files. Okay, so these are its parameters, /v, /c, /I. Okay, so /v is actually used to display all the lines that does not contain that specific string that we have specified in the command. /c is used to display only the count of lines containing that particular string. /n is used to display the line numbers with the displays the line number with the displayed lines. Means 1, then line 1 will be shown, 2, then line 2 will be shown, 3, then line 3 will be shown. Okay, okay. So /I is used when we want to, we don't know the we don't know the string with whether it is written in the uppercase or lowercase. We can use /I. That is for example, it does not think that whether the characters are written in the uppercase or lowercase. It searches the string in the file only. Okay, ignores the case of the character when searching for the string. Okay, now let's demonstrate the use of this particular command, /v space. Now what this parameter do, displays all the line that does not contain that particular string. Okay, so I'll write thanks as that string, and then you have to specify the file name. In this such way you have to write the command, and then you have to press enter. Now you can see, hello viewers, hope you guys are understanding this practical well. These both lines are displayed, but let's see how many lines do notepad1.txt file has in it. See, we have 3 lines in it. The line 2 contains thanks word, so it does not display this one line, but these both lines are displayed by the command prompt. Okay, these 2 lines are displayed in the command prompt by this command. Okay, now let's try another parameter of find command. Now what it displays only the count of lines containing the string. So I am repeating the same string for the different parameter of find command. One line that contains this string. Okay, so this was the command that is used for searching a particular string in a file or multiple files. Now the last command we are left with is to rename a file. Now for example, I want to rename notepad1.txt file to notepad.txt. So this command is used, rename space notepad1.txt space, to which name you want to replace this file, notepad.txt. Enter. Now let's check whether it is worked or not. See, its name is changed. Okay guys, so hope you guys understood this much, this one practical. Any queries, please mention in the comment section below. I'll try to solve it as soon as possible, and we'll meet you guys in next video. Okay, bye bye.